So friends, let's see today's delicious recipe of Methi Puris. It's a very simple recipe with very few ingredients. So let me take you through all the ingredients. Now here I have 1 cup of methi, which I have washed really well, dried very well and chopped up really fine. This is 1 cup of whole wheat flour, 1/4 cup of chickpea flour or besan, 1/4 cup of rice flour. This is a paste of 2 green chilies and half an inch of ginger, half a teaspoon of cumin or jeera powder. We need some oil, some water. This is about half a teaspoon of powdered sugar, some salt to taste, and this is 1/4 teaspoon each of haldi powder and hinga or asafoetida. So now in a large plate, I'm going to mix the 3 flours, that is the whole wheat flour, the chickpea flour and the rice flour. And just give it a good mix so the 3 flours get nicely integrated. Now we're going to add this mixture of turmeric powder and asafoetida, the cumin powder, the powdered sugar, and mix everything really well. Now I'm going to add some salt to taste. So roughly about 1.5 teaspoon. After mixing all that in well, I'm going to add the chopped methi, and then I'm going to add this ginger and green chili paste. Now I'm going to add a few drops of oil, and then I'm going to add a little water at a time and make this into a very stiff dough. So this is like a puri dough which we make, which should be more stiff rather than the puri or the chapati dough. This is a little on the stiffer side. So knead the dough really well, and then again I'm going to add a little oil, and we're going to again knead it, and then I'm going to cover and keep it aside for 30 minutes. Now you can also refrigerate this because we want this to really set well. Now I'm going to apply a little oil on the rolling board as well as on my hands, and I'm going to make small puri balls like this. Just roll them out. Now I have some oil heating for deep frying. Now they have to be a little on the thicker side, so don't make them very thin like chapatis or puris. They have to be a little thick, say half inch thickness. And the oil, when you apply the oil to the rolling board, it helps to roll out these puris very easily and they don't stick to the rolling board. So just shape them up and make all the puris and set them aside on a plate. And now your oil should be nice and hot on a low to medium flame. And once the oil is nice and hot, just lower the puris in and fry them like you would with regular puris. So once they fluff up on one side, turn them over and just press them down with your perforated spoon till they nicely fluff up. So some key points to remember is that when you're rolling out the puri, see that it's thick, it should not be very thin. And secondly, the oil should be nice and hot, but make the oil hot on a low to medium flame and not on a very high flame. So we got to fry these puris till they're nice and golden brown and fluffed up. Now some of the puris might not really fluff up. That's fine. That's because of all the ingredients we've added, and we're also using whole wheat flour. And your puris are all ready. So in this way, fry all the puris. And once they're nice and cool at room temperature, you can store them in a steel tin or an airtight container because they have a really long shelf life. So you can take them on trips when you're going anywhere, or you can just make them and store them in an airtight container, and they last for a long time. Once they're all nice and fried, just drain off all the excess oil, let them come to room temperature, and then store them. And they're really delicious all by themselves, but you can also have it with some pickle or some chili and ginger pickle. I'll leave a recipe for all of that down in the description box below. So do try out this recipe and let me know in the comment section how you like this. I'll catch you in my next video with another recipe. See you soon.
I hope you liked today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you'll get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.